Good morning, fourth graders. Today I decided to read to you instead of using the camera. I'll be using just the microphone today because I wanted to have this book open wide. I love the pictures and I just thought it would be nice that although you can hear my voice, you don't need to see me for it to hear the story. All right, so this book is called Skin Like Milk, Hair of Silk. What are similes and metaphors? And today, I'd like you to pay attention as I read and uh, actually learn the difference between what a simile and what a metaphor is. And I know that we all confuse them. I have in the past myself. But as we're focusing on some figurative language for poetry, I thought this would be a great time to actually use them together in the same lesson so that we can see the difference right away. All right, so let's read this book together. Follow along, please. Similes are phrases that compare two unlike things, as in, her hair is soft as silk, or teachers eat like kings. Just like these, all similes contain an as or like. There's just one example. She's as sharp as any spike. So you can see here that similes contain the use of as or like. All right. Smooth as jazz, skin like milk, and cheeks as red as roses. Similes compare things like my dad's as old as Moses. Similes can help you say that someone in your class is as bright as polished pennies or slow as thick molasses. Well, let me go back here for a second. Actually, this reminded me, I have a connection. This reminded me, I always would tell my kids when I want them to hurry up and do something, I actually always say this to them: you're slow as molasses. And thick molasses is like really like this thick liquid, thicker than any kind of syrup. And when it pours, it comes out real slow. And I remember I always would say that to my kids. I still do. You're as slow as molasses. They're helpful in describing people, things, and even places, like fresh as folded laundry, or all jagged like my braces. They can help you paint a picture you can see inside your brain, like he's clever as a fox, or her tears ran like rain. Once you learn about them, they can change your writing habits. You'll write one, two, and then a few, then multiply like rabbits. Now, on to metaphors. Metaphors are similar to similes, but yet they don't use like or as when they are comparing, don't forget. So, if you look here on this page, similes use like or as in comparing, but metaphors do not use like or as. Oops. Okay. Metaphors will often use an is or has or are, as in, you are my sunshine, or this singer is a star. He's so sour, she's so sweet, his memory is foggy. All of those are metaphors, just like his voice is froggy. Even chill out or be cool, or a heated conversation. Let me repeat that, sorry. Even chill out or be cool, a heated conversation, an icy glare, a frozen stare, a very warm ovation. At times, a sense of touch is at the root of such a phrase: velvet voice, a coarse reply, some softly spoken praise. So, right, get busy as a bee. Your work is sure to blossom with similes and metaphors. No doubt it will be awesome. So, what are similes? What are metaphors? Do you know?
No.
Oops, sorry. All right, so we finished the book. And real quick, I just wanted to go over again. Skin like milk, hair of silk. Listen to me read that to you. And pointing out the difference between similes and metaphors. Both comparing, yet only similes use like or as, and metaphors just state it. I will talk to you soon.